transfer tables, using the Course Equivalency Table. The Course Equivalency Table is used to determine how courses taken at another institution equates to courses at UofSC for transfer credit. You should use this table if you have college credits that you would like to transfer to UofSC. Note, course equivalencies are not guaranteed to be degree applicable and should be discussed with your academic advisor. To use the Course Equivalency Table, select USC Columbia/Regional Campuses from the Campus drop-down menu. Then select the location, including country, state, and institution from where you will be transferring credit. A table of transfer courses will appear. The table will list the courses from the other institution on the left and the UofSC equivalency on the right. Filter by subject or scroll to find courses you have taken and would like to transfer. For example, consider that you are planning to transfer to UofSC Columbia from Midlands Technical College. You took BIO 101 last year and want to know what that course equivalency is at UofSC. Using the Course Equivalency Table, you will find that BIO 101 at Midlands Tech is equivalent to BIOL 101 and BIOL 101 Lab at UofSC. If you do not find the course taken at a different institution listed, or if there is no course equivalency, please use the Undergraduate Course Evaluation Request form to request review of the course.